So good. Test. All right. So this is what you will do, no? Starting from installation uh, to editing. So when you go to filmora.wondershare.com, you will see this starting uh, web page. All right. So what you have to do here is click on download. All right. So you can just choose Filmora 10 or Filmora X, and choose whether you're for Windows or for Mac. For my case, since I'm using Mac, I'm gonna download Mac. All right. And then this should start downloading, and you will see this, right? Now I'm not gonna install this anymore because I already installed this, uh, but installation is just what we call this, basic, just straightforward. And once you're done, you should find your Filmora in your applications, and you should be able to open it. Right? But you have to finish installing first, right? You have to be successful in installation. Now let us just wait for this to finish, and then we'll start editing. All right. Now that it's done, um, you will always start your Filmora in this. No, this is project library. So if you have your previous videos edited, you will see it here. But since we are going to start from scratch, we will select new project. Now make sure you use the correct aspect ratio. So as usual, you should choose 16:9, and then click on the new project. Now here, this is your initial Filmora setup. First, let's go to how do you import videos or files. Okay, you can either right click and import here, and then it will open up your folder. Or the best way to do this is actually opening up your Finder or whatever, or your what you call this, or your opening up your Finder or your Explorer, and look for the video that you're going to edit, right? So for example, we have here, let's use this now. So I can, you just have to click and drag that one. You see? There. It's already there. So since I will be doing the keyframing, I will also add my key image. There you go. And I will also add the like button. Alright, now that we're here, we can now start editing. So first, drag it to your timeline. Just skip project settings. There you go. And then you can just let it render, let it load there. You can now play it by space bar. So you have to, according here, you have to render it first, but it's okay if you don't, if you can skip that. You will just experience some lag. And then let's go straight to keyframing, right? Actually, if you do this now, you can, the splitting is by doing this. No? Click here to split. No. Also, you can just set your shortcuts by going here. Wondershare Filmora and then keyboard shortcuts. I'm not sure if you are using Windows or Mac OS, but if for Windows it will be different. It will be, I think in tools, right? And you will have there your you will have your keyboard shortcuts. But for default, you can just look for it. No, you can just check the default settings for cut and split. And then now, since our topic will be about keyframing, so I will just show you a simple animation. No? So let me just bring it to the point where I will slap the like button around here. So you can move your frame left and right. Let's start somewhere here. And all you have to do is just drag your what you call this, like button. Now this one is easier than DaVinci. So for you to resize this, you just have to double click at the image. There you go, and you will see an outline there. So you can now just add, what do you call this, adjust the size, adjust its location. So I'm gonna do just like that, and then press OK. Now when we are going to animate this, okay, so all you have to do is select your image or your video, okay, and go to these settings, and then go to animation. All right, and then you should press customize. Okay, make sure you press customize. Now, keyframe animation is in this one. This is controlled by your keyframe. So when you click plus, okay, when you click plus, you are actually creating a new keyframe here. All right, and then move your frame a little forward, somewhere here. And then now, just like in DaVinci, you don't have to click add, but all you have to do is just simply drag your image, and as you can see, it already add another keyframe found in here. And actually you can rotate this as many as you can, as many as you want. There, as you can see, I rotated it negative 1,200 times. So when you play this, it will look like this. You see that? It's gonna be rolling a lot of times. So yeah, that's how you do it. No? Same thing with this one. Somewhere here. Okay, you can add your image here. Of course, you can resize it. You can put it wherever you want, somewhere there. And then, of course, you have to. There's a. It already created a new. What you call this? A new keyframe, identified by this dot. And then, all you have to do is just move it forward a little bit. There. And then all you have to do is just move this. And as you can see, it created a new It created a new keyframe, and when you play this, okay, so yeah, that's how you keyframe, and from there you can you can now do the activity, or you can now do the activity for keyframe. Hope you learned something. All right, just some minutes. I'm gonna upload this to wherever. And when you're done, I forgot to record this part. And when you're done, you just have to go to export. Okay, let's do this. Export, and you can choose the file name. You can choose where do you want to save it. So in my case, I want it to be in download, and then just simply click export, and then this will now load. You will see the percentage over here, and you also have a choice to upload it to YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter. But I don't do this. I like to upload them individually. All right. So yeah, good luck on doing the activity. I hope you learned something.